Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying a valid backup, because without one recovery is unlikely. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Manage Storage to view backups on a Mac or PC Check Finder or iTunes. Once done, plug into power and Wi-Fi and note whether the backup contains the deleted app data. If it does, make sure Find My iPhone is off for a smoother restore. Next, choose whether to perform a full restore from backup or try reinstalling the app first to see if data returns. If you selected full restore, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Erase all content and settings and follow prompts. When the device restarts, choose Restore from iCloud Backup or from Finder/iTunes Backup. If you opted to reinstall, download the app from the App Store, open it, and sign in. Many apps will pull data from iCloud or their server once authenticated. Make sure backups are the same Apple ID. Otherwise, data won't appear. Monitor the progress bar and wait until the restore fully completes before testing the app. Once restore finishes, open the app and confirm your data, permissions, and sign-in status. Give the app a few minutes to resync if it uses cloud servers. If data is still missing, don't create a new backup because that could overwrite recoverable snapshots. Instead, check other backups on your computer or iCloud and review the app developer's account recovery options. If all else fails, contact the app support with your account info and backup timestamps. They can often assist or provide recovery tools and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.